Hi there, my name is William Michael Forbes and I want to welcome you. Um, During my meditation at 3 a.m. this morning, I had this being come to me. His name was Jamal Ipsekeu, and he said that he originated from what used to be called Eden, or at least a part of Eden, and that the part of Eden that he was from was what we today call Nigeria. And during my meditation, he gave me a message to give to my partner, Norma Jean. But he also spoke a very profound truth that I felt was really important to share with you about how, when we connect to these beings on different levels, it's really important that you understand what it means to be in truth and what it means to be in love. And what Jamal said, he said, when you are in your truth and when you are in your vibration of love, you are connected to us and all that resonate on that frequency. That you, he said, can call on any of us from any time, from any place, from any consciousness on that frequency, and we will answer you if you are in your truth, and your truth is of a vibrational frequency equal to that of Jesus, or equal to that of Buddha, or equal to that of Joan of Arc, or Madame Blavatsky. You can connect to them on the frequency that you resonate with. You can also call upon them to step down slightly in frequency if it's possible for them to do that. He said that if you are at a frequency that's too low, they cannot and will not come down, for it's very uncomfortable for them to do that. But you, they said, can bring yourself up. He said you can bring yourself up. Now this being, Jamal, is an incredibly beautiful being. I've never seen a being like this in all my years of channeling. He stands about 7 feet 8 inches tall. He's very, very narrow, dark skin, beautiful, like midnight sky black. And he wore this black tribal outfit that went right down to around his ankles, and the trimming of it was all gold. And he had a large staff, not a spear, a large staff with him. And I cannot tell you how clean and pure his energy felt. And throughout my entire meditation, which was this morning, was about 60 minutes, every 4 minutes he kept coming in and saying his name to me, Jamal Ipsekeu. And he said, I'm doing this so that you remember, because it's important you remember when you come out of this, that you remember my name. For my name has a vibration that affects those who are in resonance with it, and they can call upon me, which was quite delightful. When I queried during one point in the meditation what he felt he had to come to me for, was one, to deliver a message to my partner Norma about standing in our truth and in a vibration of love. And he said, secondly, to bring to the forefront the importance of people understanding what this time of ascension and the value in connecting to higher beings through what you call channeling, which is really nothing more nor less than the alteration of your frequency to a different wavelength so that you can connect to other beings, much the same way as a cell phone is a different frequency that lets you connect to other beings with cell phones. Much the same way as a radio signal is a different frequency that you can tune into different radio stations. So too is the connection between ascension and channeling important. Ascension is about raising your vibration deliberately, intentionally, physically, mentally, emotionally, and those are different facets, he said. These are different facets of our being that we resonate with. He said, when you learn to regulate your frequency of your body, the frequency of your mind, the frequency of your emotions, and synchronize them together, you are ascending in frequency upwards. In that process, you will start to get intuition and guidance and connection with these beings, as I do with Jesus, or I do with Buddha, or Lao Tzu, or Kuan Yin, or any of these beings, and your guardian angels, all of the beings that are available to each and every one of us. And there's nobody that's exclusively got some angels and don't have other angels. They're available to everyone at all points of time and space. All you need to do is adjust or tune your frequency or vibration to match the consciousness or frequency of the individual you wish to talk to. They're always available to us, all the time. He says it's important to understand this time of ascension, that you and I are in this position of consciousness where we have available to us the opportunity to extend the range of our perception and frequency so that we may tune into far more information and knowledge than was previously available to us in our current lifetimes or past lifetimes even. So I really felt compelled to communicate this message to you today, and I hope you find it fascinating. I'm going to label this video part 2 of the relationship between ascension and channeling. For when you adjust your frequency through ascending your consciousness, changing your body by putting the right foods, the right energy into it, the right drink into it, the right water into it, getting fresh air, getting it exercise properly, your mind by purifying it with constructive and positive ideas and thoughts, which will in effect alter and change your emotional frequency from negative to positive. And that process of ascension opens the doorway to communication with far more experienced beings who are willing to offer you guidance, information, and suggestions to enhance, improve, and excite the dimension you're experiencing as your life in the body that you observe this in right now. My name is William Michael Forbes, and I hope to see you on our next video. Please like and subscribe on my channel, and like this video and share it with others. You'll be getting more videos in the next coming days from myself and my partner, as we are going to be hosting a course on how to channel, how to actually adjust your body, your mind, and awaken your soul to the potential consciousnesses that are available to us at all points in time and space. I want to say much love to you. Thank you for taking the time to experience this energy with me. And I want to give thanks to Jamal Ipsekeu for coming to me in my meditation. And I can also feel the ascended masters of Jesus and Buddha and the others around me right now. And they're sending much love and gratitude to all of you for connecting to us at this time, which is a very important time in human consciousness, what we call the ascension. Much love to all of you. Thank you.